Eric Mutai motel ne apisas mano muko sirni mag chiel moket kod jaket mwandu moro elo e karariyo monego obed kar wito yugi kolose site kanyo mokio kod od thieth ma Kericho. Dr. Mutai no rucho oko boke duto maglo manomi jaket mwandu no. Wacho ni apisi mare osenono maber boke duto maglo no moriwo nyaka oboke mar Kodesa kendo giseango ni Lope no en matend county ma Kericho. Dr. Mutai manoten kod attorney mar county no Gideon Mutai kod jagoro mar county no Joel Bet wacho ni telo mare oseng'ado bura mar kao kang mager ne ng'ata machano yakolo e county.
Where we are today is a dump site. Somebody 3 months ago, without any shame, without any thinking, came and fenced what is supposed to be our dump site. As you can see where we are standing, even if you look at the soil, it shows that the activity which has been here is a dump site, is a recycle site. When you look up there, the mountain there, that is actually the cabbage site for Kericho. So here was a cabbage site. Around a year ago or two, they led by the team, Engineer Mite and the rest, they moved the cabbages to the other side so that they could come back here. But somebody in his own wisdom or lack of otherwise, and I believe that must be a madman, woke up in the morning, came and fenced the entire of this farm. And that is why we are here today. This one is serving as a strong notice to any crabber, to any illegal occupation of Kericho, that your time is up and we are coming for you.
Ramogi Jawad bura moyer matongaren John Murumba Chikati